Right girls, today I've brought you a mystery bag containing 5 ingredients. Can you make something great in 45 minutes?
It's going to be challenging because Eleanor takes forever doing everything.
Oh!
The famous fartichoke.
Well, they're artichokes, but they do make you fart.
Oh, it's rice wine, Chinese rice wine.
Oh!
Crib, really hot chilies. Ooh.
Lime.
Lime. I can smell something. Eleanor.
It smells fishy.
Oh, it's a red snapper.
Oh, I love red snapper.
Woo! It is a red snapper.
It's not, it's a bream.
Oh. Oh! Don't do that.
Was it from Guy?
Mm-hmm.
So he's already taken
this off.
No, it's not descaled.
Is he not scaled?
We've got a descaler.
You've got to do everything, it's not gutted.
Yeah, but he's clipped these off. Why did you let him clip those off? Ow! Ah! Well, he hasn't clipped them off.
So we need
really hurt.
So
you
we
don't even care, boo.
So we need to clip these off.
Get me a plaster.
Oh, they're actually really sharp. Good start, Eleanor. Really strong start.
Are you going to be
Are
alright?
you going to be able to cook?
I'll be alright.
Where are you? Where is it? Can't see it. Where is it?
Maybe I don't need a plaster.
I don't want you bleeding all over the food.
Well, it's there.
Stick it over there. Oops.
I don't want this to hinder me in the
I'm sure it
process.
won't. I'm sure it won't. Right, take 2. It's very Asian-y, so we're going Asian. It's just how we cook it. And I think noodles would be really quick and good. So let's have noodles.
Or rice.
Or rice.
Puree, rice.
Spicy rice. Fish fillet on top.
Yeah.
Right.
Let's get cooking.
45 minutes starts now.
Go! I've got green beans. Do you want these?
Yes, please. Hang on.
And I found bean sprouts. That's kind of easy. I've also got some coriander.
Great! We're going to make a stir fry with some rice.
Yeah, stir fry rice.
Yeah, we'll do
eggs.
We don't need eggs.
Stir fry.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we'll do a puree with the Jerusalem artichokes because that will give a sweet nature to.
Okay, so first of all we need to do the fish.
Peppering of the fish.
Yeah, and I need to get some rice on.
Okay, get the rice on. Go and clean it. I'm gonna get the guts out first.
Oh, we sliced it.
Oh, that stinks.
Oh gosh.
Why did you get it with guts in, Craig? Right.
What are you doing? Don't you think you should put water in there?
I always see them having loads of
Oh
water.
my gosh.
Getting the guts out.
That's disgusting. Oh, it stinks.
I'm just gonna cut these off.
Lethal.
Boo, can you just get on with your stuff?
Oh yeah, sorry.
Watch me doing mine. We're on a time limit here.
Right. The rice is now washed. And I always find I did a cup full of rice, and if you do a cup full of boiling hot water and add a little bit more, that should be enough to cook the rice. It's just a tip.
So you do it backwards against itself like this. You can probably do it down here because there's loads coming out.
Oh, blimey.
Blimey! Oh no!
We're going to bake the fish in the oven. So we're going to stuff it full of garlic, butter, chilli, coriander.
Lemon.
Yeah, lime. We're going to stuff it full.
You've got scale in your hand.
Can you get it out?
Yeah, it's gone.
Right, this is going to be so hot, this chilli.
Do you want me to test it?
Yeah, alright. Alright, so we cut the end off, like that, and then I get Eleanor's lip,
Why'd you have to do it on your lip?
because it's kind of like,
It makes sense to
Yeah.
you can feel it tingling. So you got that.
is that really hot? Is it? Speak!
It's a burner. It's a burner.
Alright, I'm just going to use this much then. Well, they are Scotch bonnets, so they'll be hotter than usual ones.
Well, just put a little bit more in. It's a burner. I've descaled it and I am just drying it off. And as you can see, there's no scales coming out here now.
So just added some butter. I'm going to stuff it with And I'm going to add a bit of lime. I'm also going to add a little bit of ginger to our butter mix.
He's all ready.
I think you need to have a bit of urgency going on now.
I've got urgency going on. Quib. Thanks. Usually I make Steph peel.
I'm busy.
Do you want me to stuff it?
Yeah, if you want.
Do you want to carry on with the peeling?
No.
So I'm going to just put the lime inside the fish like this and build up in layers. So put some coriander in.
Let's do this.
Smells amazing, boo. And then put a bit more of this in. Did you put any salt and pepper in?
Not yet.
Okay. In with the lemon.
Yeah. You want some more?
A bit more coriander. To prevent it from sticking, I'm going to put some olive oil on the bottom here, and then I'm going to put him in the oven. Salt. Good.
Right, let's carry on. So I'm just peeling some shallots because this is going in for the puree of the Jerusalem artichokes. Jerusalem artichokes have a reputation of also being known as fartichokes, and that is so true. We love them. We love a soup with them, but give it an hour and you're going to have the loudest, smelliest farts. It's a known fact. So it's so lucky that we had all these kind of Asian ingredients.
Steph,
Yeah?
could you come and clear the sink out, please?
What?
Well, I've finished here now, so I'm going to come over here and chop.
No.
Well, these are going to go
No.
dark.
No.
These are going to go dark.
No, this is why I don't do it in the sink.
Right.
I'm not doing it. This sink is disgusting.
Could you clean it, please?
No.
Thank you. I'm actually going to chop them really quite small. Oh, we need more butter than that.
That's all I got.
To increase the cooking temperature of the butter so that it doesn't burn, just a little bit of olive oil helps.
Check the rice. It's coming on. 10 minutes away, I reckon.
Okay, you've got about 20 minutes.
Oh, God.
Who's in charge here then, do you think?
Well, obviously me.
Who's in charge here?
What did Steph say?
Her?
Steph. Darling, what are we doing next?
Well, check the rice.
Yeah?
I'm led by you on that one, and I'm getting prepped. Prep the veg.
What for?
Eleanor, for the stir fry, what do you think?
Okay. What are you going to put the stir fry in?
A dish. The wok. Why are you trying to test me?
I'm not trying to test you, just glad that you got it right. Just frying the shallots and the Jerusalem artichokes in the butter here. Doing it actually on quite a high heat.
You've got 15 minutes.
Oh, I don't think we're going to do it.
Yeah, I'm going to just put a little bit in here.
Shouting rice wine. We literally don't have a lot of time tonight. So I'm just going to add a little bit more chilli to the stir fry when I eventually get round to cooking it. Just be really wary when you do cut chilli. I've been touching it, so I'm going to have a mega spicy finger. So just watch where you then put it. Because if you put it in your lips or anywhere else, it'll be real painful. Right, smells, come on. I need the wok going.
Right, girls, 10 minutes.
Oh no, come on! I need the wok going. Here, use some of that. Sesame seed oil, extra flavour, it'll be yum. I think the rice is actually done. Turn off the heat.
I'm just going to baste the fish.
Putting the vegetables in. How's it going?
Needs a bit longer.
We've got 8 minutes.
Bit of a splash.
Right, getting the whizzer out. I'm going to whiz up the puree.
Hurry, smells!
Okay, how long have we got left?
Like 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
I'm waiting on you now. Put a bit of cream in to put some liquid in. I'm ready to go.
2 minutes.
Oh, God.
Oh my goodness, let me sort that out. Come
What
on.
happened?
I got slicked in her eye.
Oh, my face. Boo. Is it on? Can you? Is it on?
I don't think you need to worry about that right now. Come on! We need to
Warm the plate up.
She wants a warm plate, but we have no time for a warm plate. Eleanor!
Chaos in this kitchen.
Right, I'm going to plate this up. Okay, brown rice.
Hang on. No, that plate's not warm.
Eleanor, we have no time for that!
1 minute left.
Eleanor! No!
So casual.
Can you just hurry up?
30 seconds.
See, you're being ridiculous now. That was a whole 30 seconds gone. That's ridiculous. Why? That doesn't look nice. You put a small, delicate dob on. It's obviously not going to happen. That looks disgusting, Eleanor.
Does it?
It does look disgusting. You've done a real hodgepodge of that.
10 seconds.
Okay. Don't put the whole thing on the plate, Eleanor!
Why not? Because you wouldn't do that. That's ridiculous.
What's wrong with that?
Crib,
Well done, time's up.
can we now just make it nice? I want Eleanor to fillet that. I don't want to eat it like that. Careful.
I know. Beautiful.
That looks really bad. We make really nice food and that's... You really hodgepodge that. The fish is very good.
Delicious. Beautifully moist.
Those vegetables are good and the rice is good.
Absolutely delicious.
Can you make it nice now? Right, Cribs let us have a little bit more time on getting it actually how we would like to present it.
Not actually that much more time, like literally 5 minutes.
Well, 2 minutes.
It's how you serve it up at home if you would.
Yeah.
I'd give it a little squeeze of lemon on.
Okay.
And that will taste delicious. Would you like to try it?
Yep.
Yeah. Brilliant. Well then.
Well done, us.
Well done, girls.
Thanks,
Impressed.
bye.
So that was our first mystery box. I think I'm quite proud of myself. Are you?
I think it was pretty good.
Yeah.
Considering what we did in that time. Brilliant. Right. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.